Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to tap on the battery. As you can see at the very bottom of the very first section, we've got visual settings, so let's enter. And here we have to tap on the battery display styles. And as you can see here, we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got the icon only option applied, and you can easily check it because on the status bar we've got only the battery icon, but we can also set the percentage only or icon and percentage. So after tapping on the percentage only, instead of the icon we will have the exact percentage of the usage of the battery, and we can also set icon and the battery percentage, so we will have both of those options. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your ASUS ZenFone 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.